Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xtrfy MZ1 wireless mouse and I'm going to show you how can you easily change CPI, which is sensitivity. So at first we have to switch this switch over here to CPI, which is the second option here. And now we have to just click this button over here. If our LED light is red, it means that we have 400 CPI. If our light is yellow, it means that we have 800 CPI. If our battery light, LED light is orange, we have 1200. If our LED light is blue, it means that we have 1600. If our LED light is violet, it means that we have 3200. If it's light blue, it means that we have 4000 CPI. If it's green, it means that we have 7200. And if it's white, it means that we have 19,000. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.